Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language in Zoom. It's a simple process and you can switch languages anytime to make your Zoom experience more comfortable. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to the Zoom website at zoom.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, click on My Profile in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see the language option. Click on Edit next to your language and you'll find a drop-down menu with a list of available languages. Just select the language you prefer. After you choose your language, click Save and the change will be applied to your Zoom account. If you want to change the language into Zoom app, open the app and right-click on the Zoom icon in the desktop taskbar. Here you will see various options. Select Switch Languages and choose the language you prefer. And that's it. Now you know how to change language in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.